how to quickly turn off an alarm on your Android phone. Whether you're new to Android or just need a quick refresher, this guide has got you covered. So let's dive right in. To manage your alarms, or maybe to turn off a future alarm or delete one you no longer need, let me show you how. First, unlock your phone and find the clock app. It usually looks like a clock and can be found on your home screen or app drawer. Once you're in, tap on the alarm tab at the top or bottom of the screen depending on your phone model. To turn off an alarm, simply toggle off the alarm or simply switch next to the alarm time. This will deactivate the alarm but it won't delete it. You can always tap on it and tap on delete alarm to delete the alarm. And that's how you manage your alarms on an Android phone. And there you have it, folks. Whether you're turning off a ringing alarm, managing your future alarms, or deleting old ones, you know now how exactly to do. I hope this video makes managing alarms on your Android device a breeze.